Right, let's do question 5b2. Like we said in the previous question, for us to be able to derive using the rules of differentiation, our expression should be, or our terms should be in the form, like the term that we're going to be differentiating here is this one here. Okay, we're going to be differentiating this. Right, okay. It has to be in the form a times x to the power n. So now we have to change this and make it look like this. So I want you to remember this, okay? Remember that the mth root of x to the power n is equivalent to x to the power n over m, isn't it? Okay, remember that. And also remember that x to the power 1 over x to the power n is equal to x to the power negative n. Okay, we're going to use these two here. So let's change this so that it looks like this. Okay, right. So it's going to be y is equals to 1 over x to the power y is equal to 1 over x to the power 2 over 5. Do you agree? Yes, I think so. Right, it's correct. It's correct. So 1 over x to the power 2 over 5. And then applying this rule here, we can say this is equivalent to y is equals to x to the power negative 2 over 5. Okay, right. So once we have this now, we know we can differentiate using our rules of differentiation. The coefficient of x to the power negative 2 over 5 here is 1. So there is an invisible 1 here. Okay, let me just write it. There is an invisible 1. There's no need to write it. I'm writing it because what? I'm explaining. Right, so it's negative 2 over 5 times 1. So now we're finding our dy dx. So it's negative 2 over 5 times 1, which is negative 2 over 5. And then x to the power, what do we do to the exponent? We subtract 1. It's going to be negative 2 over 5 minus 1. You see that? And then we can simplify our exponent there. You can even use your calculator if you want to. So negative 2 over 5 minus 1 should give you negative 7 over 5. So dy dx is equals to negative 2 over 5, and then x to the power negative 2 over 5 minus 1 should give you negative 7 over 5. Okay, right, now we write our answer with positive exponents. So what do we do here? This is like dy dx is equals to negative 2 over 5, then times 1 over x to the power 7 over 5. Going back to this one here. You see that? Okay, right. And then this is dy dx is equals to negative 2 over 5 times x to the power 7 over 5. Done. Okay, right. So we're going to do 5c in our next video.